Looking for a budget-friendly way to unleash your creativity with laser engraving? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Carverall K15 Pro. The Carverall K15 Pro laser engraving machine caught my eye right away, especially with its price tag of $199.99. It's compact yet powerful, making it perfect for everything from signs to custom gifts. If you want flexibility and quality in one package, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Carverall K15 Pro stands out. First off, it has a perfect A4 size working area of 7.9 by 11.8 inches, so you're not stuck with tiny designs. It delivers true 10-watt power, which means you can cut through materials like 12mm plywood effortlessly. Imagine being able to personalize wood and leather items with intricate designs. That's achievable here. Plus, it boasts an impressive engraving speed of 15,000 millimeters per second and 0.01 millimeter precision, which is key for detailed projects. With over 200 units sold in just the last month, it's clear that many are drawn to its capabilities. Now, some people complained about the setup process being a bit tricky, but here's the thing. Once you get past the initial learning curve, you'll find it offers so much value, especially for DIY projects and small businesses. It's designed for long-term use with a lifespan exceeding 10,000 hours, so you can really invest in your creative journey. This is perfect for you if you're keen on personalizing gifts or starting a small engraving side hustle. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra portable, as its size might be a bit more than you bargained for, but for the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, the next product on my list might just be what you need. Product number 2. The Artilume T1 Foldable Laser Engraver is a game changer at just $145.99. What really caught my attention was its unique foldable design, making it super easy to set up and store. If you're someone who needs a portable solution without sacrificing performance, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why the T1 shines. It has a powerful 7W laser that achieves remarkable precision at 0.01 millimeters, perfect for various materials like wood, leather, and acrylic. It can cut through 4mm basswood, so you can easily create intricate designs for crafts or small business projects. The fact that it's ready to use right out of the box with professional software means you can start engraving almost immediately. Plus, it's designed to last, with a lifespan of around 10,000 hours. In the past month alone, over 200 units have been sold, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some users mentioned that the software setup could be a bit confusing. I'll be real with you, while there might be a slight learning curve, the ease of portability and the quality of output make it worth the effort, especially for those looking to engrave on the go. This is perfect for traveling creators or anyone needing a compact workspace. Skip this if you plan on working with larger items, as the 200 by 150 millimeter working area may limit some of your projects. But for the price and portability, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want maximum versatility. Product number 3. The Acmer S1 Laser Engraver, priced at $144.38. What caught my eye here is its impressive precision and versatility. If you're looking for a machine that can handle various materials without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. The S1 boasts a 6,000 milliwatt laser power, which means you can engrave and cut materials like wood and leather with ease. With a 130 by 130 millimeter working area, it's suitable for smaller projects, which is ideal if you're just starting out or working on crafts. This machine can achieve speeds of up to 10,000 millimeters per minute, making your projects not just high quality, but also efficient. Plus, it supports a range of engraving software, giving you more flexibility to work with your preferred programs. It's already gained traction with over 200 units sold recently, indicating that many are finding value in its features. However, some users found it a bit underpowered for thicker materials. Now here's the thing. While it might struggle with heavy-duty tasks, its ability to handle lighter materials with precision makes it a great choice for home users and hobbyists who are just starting out. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a hobbyist looking for an affordable entry into laser engraving. Skip this if you need a machine that can handle heavy cutting projects, as it might not meet those needs. But for the price, it's a solid investment for smaller crafts. Now, if you want something that can tackle bigger projects, the next product might just be the answer. Product number 4, Longer Ray 5. Coming in at $181.68, the Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5 packs a punch with its advanced features and spacious working area. I was impressed with its high-speed performance and precision. If you're serious about engraving and need a bit more power, take a look at this option. The Ray 5 features a 5-watt laser that delivers high-speed performance, reaching up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. With a 400 by 400 millimeter working area, it allows for larger projects, which can be a game changer if you're creating signage or larger custom pieces. It also has a laser point size of 0.08 millimeters, giving you that detailed precision you crave. Not to mention, the safety features like emergency shutdown and motion detection add peace of mind while you work. It's already gained traction with over 100 sales recently, showing it's popular among serious hobbyists. On the downside, some users reported that the installation could be a bit complicated. But honestly, once you get past that initial hurdle, the capabilities of this machine far outweigh that minor annoyance. It's designed for both ease of use and safety, making it ideal for creative projects. This is perfect for you if you're looking to tackle bigger projects with higher precision and speed. Skip this if you need something extremely user-friendly right out of the box, as there may be a learning curve. But for the price, it's a strong contender for those looking to step up their engraving game. Now, the last one on my list offers even more budget-friendly options for those just starting out. Product number 5, Acmer S1, 2500 milliwatts. We have the Acmer S1 laser engraver at a budget-friendly price of $93.58. What I loved about this model is its affordability combined with essential features. If you want to experiment with laser engraving without sinking too much cash, this might be the one. With its 2500 milliwatts power, this engraver is capable of handling a variety of materials, from wood to plastic. It has a compact working area of 130 by 130 millimeters, which is perfect for smaller projects. It also boasts a repeatable positioning accuracy of 0.01 millimeters, ensuring quality engravings every time. Plus, with its pre-assembled design, you'll be up and running in just a minute, making it ideal for beginners. It's seen over 100 sales recently, which shows there's interest in affordable options. Now, here's the thing. For someone just starting out or focused on smaller crafts, this is a great entry-level machine that won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you want to dip your toes into laser engraving without a hefty investment. Skip this if you plan to work with thicker materials, as it may not meet those needs. But for the cost, it's definitely a valuable tool for beginners. So let's wrap up with a quick comparison of all these options. To quickly recap, we've covered the Carverall K15 Pro for its versatility, the Artilume T1 for portability, the AKMR S1 6000 milliwatts for precision, the Longer Ray 5 for power, and the AKMR S1 2500 milliwatts for budget-friendly engraving. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Carverall K15 Pro because it balances size, power, and features perfectly for most users. Avoid the AKMR S1 2500 milliwatts if you need something that can handle thicker materials consistently.